Well, it's been almost a year since this happened, so we're getting at it right after or right before snow falls. But as you can see, I got a service four-wheel drive light. Check engine light came on the other day. But anyways, that service four-wheel drive light, every time I start the truck, that comes on. I got my reader for an axle disconnect sensor circuit. All right, and that's what it reads. Go ahead and pause it for a minute if you want to take a read at it. All right, so I'm going to show you. We're going to start the truck. Boom, it's there, service four-wheel drive. The light came on, but nothing happens. Let's see. Can you see it? Trying to turn the switch, nothing's happening. All right, now if I turn the truck off, I go start it again. Let's see, let's wait for that light to clear. All right, the light cleared. Let's see, I start my truck up. And then I put it into four-wheel drive before the computer system had a chance to read all the circuits. It'll go into four-wheel drive. Let's see, focus. All right, take it out of four-wheel drive. Comes out. Put it back into four-wheel drive. I'll go back in. So every time I want to put it in four-wheel drive, I turn the truck off, I start it back up, put it in four-wheel drive, it'll work. Now if I put it in two-wheel drive, all right, two-wheel drive, and wait, eventually it will sense that circuit is bad and throw a code. There it goes. All right, here's the front diff actuator. Right there. It just bolts onto your axle. 4 bolts. You got your wired plug. Goes right into there. What's that? 4 pins. 4 bolts. Yeah. So what we did, we jacked up the front of our tire. Slide under here for you. It's right there. Right there. 4 bolts. Wiring harness. We're going to swap this out, plug it in, and be good as gold. Alright, I got the new one on. It was 10mm bolts. The old one came out, and not too much oil. I don't know, maybe 4. I don't know. There's a little bit. Maybe a third of a cup or so, max. So let's go start it up. We'll see if this works. All right, here we go. Starting it up. Definitely would have came on. Let me go. That's four lock. I'll go back. You can hear it. You can hear it working. So I think that's it, man. Pretty easy fix. Took maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes videoing this and running to and from the house getting paper towels. But if you have a service four-wheel drive, look into that. There's about $180 online. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe.